Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Easy to Learn Tech. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can use the Samsung 12000 BTU air conditioning unit. As you know, this is the Samsung remote. In the Samsung remote, we get all the functions over here on the front, and there is a display here. You can see the display, how to set the aircon, at what temperature and what fan speed, everything you can see in this display. And on the back side, we have two battery, 1.5 volt. Let's go and see the function of all the buttons, all the mode, what is given in the remote. This button, easily you can see the symbol. This button is for on and off. Let's press it. Now you see the remote is on now, and the air conditioning is also on. It's set on the mode auto, and the temperature is 22 degrees Celsius, and the fan is on auto mode. Now you can see it's written here on the right side, there is a button for the mode. We can convert the mode according to our use. The auto mode is that it's automatically set in the air conditioning unit. It will work on auto, the temperature will be automatically, and the fan, everything will be auto. We can't set anything on this mode. Now the next mode is cool mode. In the cool mode, it's showing now 16 degrees Celsius because previously I used on the 16 degrees Celsius and the fan was auto. In cool mode, we can increase and decrease the temperature as we required, and we can increase and decrease the fan speed also. And now the another mode we have is the dry mode. Dry mode means it will work like a fan. The next mode is fan mode. Dry and fan is the same, but in dry mode it's dry the evaporator present in the indoor unit, and the fan mode is also the same, just it will circulate the normal air from the interior of the house. And this is the heat mode. If our inverter aircon is in the heat and cool, then we can easily use the heat mode, or the heat mode we use in the winter. In this also we can increase the temperature as we want. If we want 28, 23, 24, we can set here. It will work on heat mode. In heat mode, the indoor will give the hot air and the outdoor will give the cool air. This is the use of the mode button. And next we have smart saver. The smart saver we can't use on the auto mode. It should be used in cool mode. As you can see here, it's showing smart saver. Smart saver, it will bring the temperature into the high to save the electricity, but if we keep on 30 degrees Celsius, the aircon cooling will be not that much sufficient. And this one is the turbo button. If we switch off the aircon and again in the same time we have to start the aircon with cooling, that time we have to use this turbo button because it will start the compressor instantly. You can see the symbol. There will be no temperature shown here, only the fan will be rotating. This is the use of turbo button. Now you see it's showing 30 degrees Celsius. It can't cool the interior room. And this is the quiet button. It will show a symbol of a silence here. This function is used at the night time to keep the indoor unit silent. And this is the auto clean. If we set our air conditioning in auto clean, it will take minimum half an hour to reset the auto clean settings, and it will show in the indoor C1 because we use auto clean to kill the germs and bacteria present in the filter. And this is the temperature up and down button, increase and decrease. With this button we can increase and decrease our temperature. And this one is for the swing. You can see here, this is the symbol for the auto swing. And this one is for the fan. Fan mode we can set into low, high and medium. Now you can see it's in auto. Now I am going to make it high. See, now it's in low. Again I will press, now it's in medium. Third time if I will press, it's on the high. The blower will be running on high speed. And this is the fan down. You can see it has become to medium, then again it has become to low. Now once if again I will press, it will become to auto. automatically it will set the RPM of the indoor blower. And you can see on this button is on timer and this is off timer. On timer is to use when our aircon should get on, and off timer is used when our aircon should get off. On timer, I will press on timer, is showing 0.5 hours, means 50 minutes it will get automatically on. I can set on 15 minutes, and if I will go to off, now at what time I should off the aircon, then I can set the off. Now I will go down, 24 hours, 23, 22, 21, what time our aircon should be get off. Now you can see my aircon will get on at as you can see we have set our on timer at 0.5 and I will set my off timer at 1 hour. Now I can set it and you can see both the timer has been set 50 minutes, and so at 50 minutes it will on the aircon, and within 1 hour then it will shut down automatically. And if we have to cancel this timer on and off, then we have to press cancel button. Automatically the timer will be cancelled. This is the use of this timer up and timer down, and this is the set button to save the settings what we are settings on the remote. And this button is dump because this is a 12,000 BTU. We don't get any option for this button. If you have any query about Samsung air conditioning and remote how to use, please comment on this video, like, share and subscribe to my channel.